Hi, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and today I'm going to talk about mercury toxicity and the hair tissue mineral analysis. Unfortunately, we're being exposed to this heavy metal toxin through all sorts of things, from pharmaceuticals to pollution to fish and other sea creatures to our silver fillings in our mouth. And this heavy metal, mercury, it is highly toxic to our nervous system, and it can cause all sorts of things like anxiety to depression to brain fog, and can lead to even more difficult things like dementia and Alzheimer's. However, the great news is that you can actually work with therapeutics to rid your body of mercury. First, by measuring it with the hair tissue mineral analysis, so we can see how much is in the body, and then you can track its removal. So how I recommend removing mercury is through our heavy metal detox protocol. And that includes, one, supporting the liver and the gallbladder with GB3, which is pancreatin oxbile and black radish root, very important therapeutics to support the liver and the gallbladder to help your body get rid of that mercury. And then magnesium, a multi-spectrum type of magnesium. I highly recommend the orthomolecular product so that you're taking in a catalyst to help your body run those detoxification pathways to deal with the release of the mercury and then the removal of the mercury. And also, to support the release of the mercury, we are recommending the third ingredient in our heavy metal detox kit, which is a binding supplement. And always have in your binding supplement some iron, because it's antagonistic to the mercury, so it's way more effective than just using something like zeolite to bind with the mercury and pull it out. And then the fourth is, make sure you keep your glutathione levels quite high while you're doing a detox, so that your detoxification pathways are running effectively and you're taking in enough antioxidants to effectively process out that mercury and not just reabsorb it into your tissues. Also, it's very helpful if you do our enema series process while you're doing the detoxification to support your body to rid the heavy metals. When you're doing that, make sure that you take the chlorophyll before you take that coffee enema to help with binding the heavy metals that are being dumped out of the liver into your small intestines. And also, I would recommend, for added benefit, using suppositories to support the detoxification process and to support your liver. So I recommend our coffee enema essential oil blend and our liver cleanse essential oil blend in suppository. A, if you don't have time for the enema process, or B, the opposite part of the day from that enema process. So clear your body of mercury over time, over the years, and we're here to help you with that process. Do reach out to us and we can support you to be heavy metal free.